Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce resource wastage. Start by opening your Evernote application on your device. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. To create a new note, click on the New Note button. This will open a fresh canvas for you to jot down your ideas. Begin by listing the resources you commonly use in your daily tasks. Focus on both physical and digital resources. Use bullet points for clarity if you prefer. Next, identify which resources are frequently wasted. These might include unused subscriptions or excess paper usage. Now, for each resource listed, jot down a few ways you can minimize waste. For example, consider switching to digital documents instead of printing. Then, set actionable goals based on your previous list. This might include reducing paper use by 50% within a month. To keep track of your progress, use the checkboxes feature in Evernote. These boxes will help you visualize completed tasks. After setting your goals, create reminders to review your progress. This ensures you stay accountable to your resource management goals. Now, utilize Evernote's tagging system to categorize your notes. Tags like waste reduction or resource management can be beneficial. This will help you quickly find notes related to your efforts. Next, consider sharing your notes with colleagues or team members. Collaboration can lead to innovative ideas for reducing waste. You can invite others by sharing your note or notebook within Evernote. Regularly reviewing and updating your notes will keep your strategy fresh. Schedule a review session every month to adjust your plans as needed. Finally, celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. Reflect on what strategies are working and what can be improved. This will create a continuous loop of learning and adapting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.